Hello, this is Will Drunk. Today we're talking about Sookie's recipe book. It's the Gilmore Girls edition. So this one is just like the other cookbooks. It's very fun, flavorful camera. Thank you. Fun, flavorful, and it has just a ton of cool recipes from the TV show. So just like other Gilmore Girl books, there's just different kinds of recipes in it. You'll get the same recipes once in a while over, but this one was pretty entertaining. Plus, I like all the fake little stickers on it. It's very authentic. So I didn't hate picking this one up. I didn't think it was wasting my money or time. It's a little gimmicky, don't get me wrong, but that's what we're also paying for. Do you like the show? Do you like the cookbooks? Let me know. Thank you for your time.